Vegan and gluten-free doesn't have to be boring or bland. Check out what I ate today. AG1 started my day today. This is a green supplement powder. They recommend that you take this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and I usually try to do so. This thing has everything in it under the sun, including probiotics. You put it in 8 ounces of water, you give it a little shake, and in about 3 sips it's gone. Breakfast is an easy acai bowl. There are many ways to make acai bowls. I love this acai recipe. The oat milk is plain. You see all the ingredients. This granola will change your life. These acai balls are so easy to use rather than the packets. As you can see, I have 1 cup of oat milk, 1 cup of acai, and 1 cup of mango with 1 banana. Easy peasy. 30 seconds in the blender and you have the most amazing, delicious acai bowl with the perfect consistency. And I love my new blender. This Ninja blender, it's sort of like a personal blender that you can make smoothies in. I use it for a lot of different things. I top my acai bowl with very simple ingredients. So essentially, I'm getting about 5 servings of fruit in this 1 acai bowl. I love starting my day this way. It's delicious. It's naturally sweet. This granola melts in your mouth. Fresh strawberries and blueberries. What else do you need to start your day? It's refreshing, it's light, and it's delicious. Delicious. If you're looking for resources to get started, I've got everything you need on my website. From meal plans to cookbooks to free guides, go check it out. This is without a doubt my favorite juice recipe using beets of all time. It's so complex in its flavor profile. I use the Fuji apple, so you got that hint of sweetness. You have the bitterness from the celery. You use the citrus from the lime. It all comes together in a nice flavorful dance that's a party in your mouth, right? It's energy boosting, it's earthy, it's nutrient dense. It's also very detoxifying. The combination helps support liver function and it can help flush out toxins from your body. It's also hydrating. It's a high water content and the essential nutrients keep your body hydrated and support your overall wellness. You have to try this recipe. I usually hydrate with 2 jars of juice before the gym. It's a great way to fuel my workout and I feel absolutely amazing afterwards. For lunch, I hit up First Watch. A lot of restaurants will have a vegan or vegetarian option that you can customize. I subtracted the bun and added potatoes to beef it up a little bit. Pun intended. Who doesn't like a good happy hour, especially when you find amazing vegan and gluten-free options? Charred cauliflower tossed in the tahini with pistachio and dates. Fresh guacamole topped with diced tomatoes and red Fresno peppers. Can you say luscious, smooth, and creamy? This recipe today, creamy vegan mushroom chowder. So easy, so delicious. It's a lusciously smooth plant-based cream sauce made from white beans and cashews. When I tell you that this is going to blow you away, when I tell you, you won't believe the creaminess. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, carrots, celery, right? Chop those up. Oil in the pan, we got the garlic. Everything about this dish is hearty and fresh, flavor packed. Deep flavor. Mushrooms, onions, carrots. Let me tell you something. You're gonna feel healthy just making this damn thing, right? Because you got all these fresh vegetables in front of you and you get to handle them and you get to chop them up. You put the beans in. So we're talking about fiber and flavor. Creaminess, luscious, smooth, earthy. I can't stop talking about how silky and robust and comforting and wholesome this dish is, right? When you make it, the love that you put into it, you're gonna taste. Because this is love. This is pure, silky, delicious, amazing love. It's decadent, it's robust. I'm out of adjectives. I'm out. But I need you to understand that you can get this recipe in the link below from my website. You need to make this today. All right, so look, I'm about to taste this. And when I tell you it's a feast for the eyes, my friend said add some rice or potatoes. It doesn't need any of that because every spoonful, every bite is just amazing. So what you need to do is click that link below so you can grab the recipe. Everybody who knows me knows I love sweets. Vegan and gluten-free desserts are almost impossible to find, so when you do, you absolutely have to tell the world about it. As always, if you need more inspiration, I've got free guides, meal plans, and cookbooks on my website. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.